Hi everybody, this is Shayla. As you can see, I am at the Mind, Body, Spirit Festival, and I'll take you on a little tour so you can see a little bit of what's going on here. It's amazing. There are so many crystals and books, cards. Yeah, I love the cards. Oh, they have some really cool ones. Oh my god, amazing. And then, oh, I love that angel and guides art. That is so cool. Let's see, I want to go. And then lots of crystals and cards. And then there are all these candles, amazing, and jewelry. Oh, I'm gonna take a photo of these. Hold on, I will stop here. I will continue the tour. I think that like the part that I found most fascinating is the psychic readings. Oh, we have speakers lounge, meditations, and then so what I found really, oh look at that, ambient lounge, so cool. The psychic readings, just fascinating. Look like everybody wants to know the future, because these have been absolutely full every time. So he will have the names of all the, yeah, all of them. Amazing. Oh, amazing. And so many people. I don't want to, of course, film there. I gotta respect people's privacies. But it's fascinating. Yeah, people have been lining up the whole weekend for the psychic readings. Really fascinating. And here we have more, we have lots of like spirit guides and everything. And then here we have food, you know, we have to eat, we have to feed the body. And then there we have the delicious truffle station. Yeah, absolutely delicious. I tried some of them. I tried all of them. I will tell you more about the truffles later. And I will also, yeah, just amazing. I want to complete, I'm looking for, where was it? Yeah, I'm trying to see, yeah, this again. Even with the numbers, it's so hard to find. I'm looking for the, yeah, I want to see, where is it? Oh, I think it's here. Anyway, I will stop here, but this is a tour. If you, oh, so kitchen, look at that. And jewelry. If you like, as you know, as always, you know, subscribe, share, like, share the love. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao. And guess what? These are the truffle olives. Absolutely delicious and nutritious. This is a little bit of piece of heaven that I found right here at the Mind, Body, Spirit show. Absolutely delicious. And remember, subscribe, like, share. Ciao.